We are entering what can only be described as the next golden era of space exploration. This isn't just about new energy sources or the influx of funding from tech giants. It's about a radical new vision for humanity's future. For some, the dream is to transform us into a multi-planet species, ensuring our survival by spreading beyond Earth. Others envision a future where our planet becomes a pristine paradise, with all heavy industries and pollution relocated to outer space. Imagine a world where Earth is a sanctuary, and a delivery system akin to a global online marketplace connects us to the moon, ferrying resources and industries off-world. This isn't science fiction. It's a bold plan to save our planet while pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity. But why is this necessary? The Earth, as beautiful as it is, sits in the crosshairs of a cosmic shooting gallery. Asteroids, comets, and meteors pose an existential threat. History has shown us the devastation of a planet-busting impact, like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs 65 million years ago. The question isn't if it will happen again, but when. This is why we need an insurance policy for humanity, not by evacuating the entire population, that's impractical and costly, but by ensuring we become a two-planet species. This isn't about abandoning Earth or ignoring its problems like global warming. It's about securing our future while we work to fix the challenges we face here. The vision of a multi-planet species has been reignited, with plans to send up to 1 million colonists to Mars. These pioneers would be transported by cutting-edge rockets, funded by a mix of public and private investment. Some of these technologies, like fusion rockets or even antimatter propulsion, may still be decades or even a century away. But the laws of physics don't stand in our way. In fact, we already have the capability to send tiny, postage stamp-sized chips to the stars. Picture this: thousands of these chips, each no bigger than your fingertip, propelled by 800 megawatts of laser power, accelerating to 20% the speed of light. This isn't fantasy. It's doable with today's technology. It's a matter of engineering, political will, and economics. Within 20 years of launch, we could have our first interstellar starship reaching Proxima Centauri b, an Earth-like planet orbiting the closest star to our solar system. This could be humanity's first step into the cosmos, a milestone in our journey to the stars. But let's not forget the challenges. Building a sustainable colony on Mars isn't just about sending people. It's about sending the tools, the infrastructure, and the workforce needed to create a new civilization. Imagine the logistics: 1 million hammers, 1 million saws, and fleets of workers to build cities from scratch. Unless, of course, we develop self-replicating robots. These machines could mine Martian minerals, replicate themselves, and construct entire cities without human intervention. What starts as one robot could quickly become an army, building the dome cities we've dreamed of in science fiction. This is the key to making interplanetary colonization a reality. The truth is, Earth is not a permanent home. History shows us that 99.9% of all species that have ever existed are now extinct. Extinction isn't the exception, it's the rule. Beneath our feet lie the fossils of countless organisms that once thrived but were ultimately doomed by the laws of nature. The same laws of physics that govern the universe also spell an eventual end for our planet. This is why our destiny lies in the stars. It's not just about exploration or curiosity, it's about survival. Throughout history, humanity has undertaken monumental projects that have reshaped our world. From the Manhattan Project, which unlocked the power of the atom, to the Genome Project, which mapped the blueprint of life, we've proven that we can achieve the impossible when we unite behind a common goal. Now, we stand on the brink of another transformative era. Imagine connecting the human brain directly to computers, enabling telepathy, sharing memories, and even emotions across the internet. This isn't a distant dream. It's happening now. Thanks to groundbreaking research, we can bypass spinal cord injuries, allowing paralyzed individuals to walk again using exoskeletons controlled by their minds. At the World Cup in Brazil, a paralyzed man kicked the opening ball using this very technology. This is just the beginning. With direct brain-computer interfaces, the possibilities are limitless. Imagine soldiers equipped with Iron Man-like exoskeletons, or everyday people enhancing their abilities through neural connections. The future is here, and it's more astonishing than we ever imagined. This is the story of humanity's next chapter, a tale of survival, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of the stars. The challenges are immense, but so are the rewards. The question is no longer if we will reach the stars, but when. And when we do, it will be because we dared to dream, to innovate, and to fight for our place in the cosmos. The future is calling. Will we answer? Imagine a world where computer chips are as cheap as scrap paper, so abundant that they're everywhere, and yet nowhere at the same time. These chips will be embedded in everything, even your contact lenses. Blink and you're online. The first to adopt this technology? College students during final exams. They'll blink and see the answers right in front of their eyes. But it doesn't stop there. Picture yourself at a cocktail party, surrounded by influential people who could shape your future. With internet-enabled contact lenses, you'll know exactly who to approach, who to impress. On a blind date, your lenses could reveal the truth behind your date's charming facade. He claims to be single, rich, and successful. Your lenses tell a different story. Child support payments, 3 divorces, and a track record of failure. This is the future of infinite knowledge, where every piece of information is at your fingertips. But it doesn't end with knowledge. The next leap will be my mental communication. Imagine sending emails, images, and even memories with just a thought. We're already recording memories in mice, and soon it will be possible for humans. Alzheimer's patients could push a button and relive forgotten moments, their hippocampus flooded with memories. One day, you might even push a button and experience a vacation you've never taken. This is the dawn of a new era, where the internet evolves into something far more profound. BrainNet. Instead of zeros and ones, will transmit emotions, feelings, and memories. Teenagers will love it. Forget emojis. They'll share entire emotions, their first dance, first date, or first kiss, all sent across the internet. This will revolutionize entertainment. Remember when silent films were replaced by talkies? Movies with sound made silent films seem archaic. Now imagine feeling the emotions of the actors, experiencing their sensations. Traditional movies will seem barbaric, a relic of the past, once BrainNet takes over. We're standing at the edge of the 4th wave of scientific innovation. The first wave was steam power, driven by the laws of thermodynamics, which powered locomotives and factories. The second wave was electricity and magnetism, giving us the light bulb, radio, and television. The third wave was the transistor and the laser, ushering in the age of high technology. Now, we're entering the fourth wave, molecular-level innovation, where artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, and biotechnology converge. This synergy will transform everything around us. The job market will explode in these fields, especially as the aging baby boomer generation seeks solutions to their health problems. Diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, which currently have no cure, will see unprecedented research efforts. The demand for answers will drive innovation, and the money will follow. Cancer research is on the brink of a breakthrough. Imagine a magic bullet against cancer using nanomedicine to target individual cancer cells at the molecular level. But the real game changer? Your toilet. In the future, your toilet will be your first line of defense against cancer. It will analyze your bodily fluids, detecting the signatures of cancer colonies years before a tumor forms. Right now, as you read this, there are people with a few hundred cancer cells growing in their bodies. They won't know it for another decade when those cells multiply into billions, forming a tumor. But with liquid biopsies and DNA chips, we'll detect cancer at its earliest stages. Your toilet will alert you. You have cancer. Do something. You have 10 years to act. The word tumor will vanish from our vocabulary. Cancer will become like the common cold, something we live with, not something we fear. Our descendants will wonder how we ever dreaded it. We'll tolerate cancer, manage it, and ultimately eradicate it. This is the future we're hurtling toward, a world where technology merges with biology, where knowledge is limitless, and where diseases are detected and defeated before they can harm us. It's a future of infinite possibilities, where the boundaries between the digital and the physical blur, and where humanity takes its next great leap forward. The question is, are we ready for it? Imagine a world where the boundaries between humanity and technology dissolve, where the very fabric of our existence is rewoven by the threads of innovation. This isn't just a distant dream, it's a reality that's unfolding before our eyes. We're on the cusp of a revolution that will redefine what it means to be human, a revolution powered by artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and the limitless potential of the human mind. This is the future, and it's closer than you think. Picture this: a world where your thoughts can control machines, where your brain is directly connected to the internet. No keyboards, no screens, just pure thought. This isn't science fiction. Scientists are already developing brain-computer interfaces that allow paralyzed individuals to move robotic limbs with their minds. But this is just the beginning. Imagine a future where you can download skills directly into your brain. Want to learn a new language? Download it. Need to master a musical instrument? It's just a click away. The Internet of the future won't just connect devices, it will connect minds. Emotions, memories, and even dreams could be shared across the globe in an instant. This is the dawn of the BrainNet, a network that transcends the digital and taps into the very essence of human experience. But the revolution doesn't stop there. Biotechnology is poised to transform our bodies in ways that were once unimaginable. Imagine a world where aging is optional, where diseases are eradicated before they even begin. Scientists are already working on gene editing technologies that can rewrite our DNA, eliminating genetic disorders and extending human lifespans. In the near future, your DNA could be as programmable as a computer, with the ability to repair itself and adapt to new challenges. And it's not just about living longer, it's about living better. Imagine a world where chronic pain is a thing of the past, where organs can be regenerated, and where disabilities are eliminated through advanced prosthetics and neural implants. This is the promise of biotechnology, and it's a promise that's within our grasp. Artificial intelligence is another game changer, and it's already reshaping the world around us. But the AI of the future won't just be a tool, it will be a partner. Imagine an AI that can anticipate your needs before you even realize them. An AI that can collaborate with you on creative projects or even help you make life-changing decisions. This isn't about machines replacing humans, it's about machines enhancing humans. AI could help us solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to poverty. It could unlock new frontiers in science, medicine, and art, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we integrate AI into our lives, we must ensure that it's used ethically and that its benefits are shared by all. And then there's nanotechnology, the science of the incredibly small. Imagine tiny machines smaller than a grain of sand, coursing through your bloodstream, repairing damage, fighting disease, and even enhancing your physical abilities. These nanobots could revolutionize medicine, delivering drugs directly to cancer cells or clearing blockages in your arteries. But the applications go far beyond health. Nanotechnology could transform manufacturing, energy, and even space exploration. Imagine materials that are stronger than steel but lighter than air, or solar panels that are so efficient they can power entire cities. This is the power of nanotechnology, and it's a power that's just beginning to be harnessed. But with all these advancements comes a question. What does it mean to be human in a world where technology is so deeply integrated into our lives? Will we lose something essential, something that makes us who we are, or will we become something greater, a new species that transcends the limitations of biology? These are the questions we must grapple with as we move forward. The future is not something that happens to us, it's something we create. And the choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. This is the fourth wave of innovation, a wave that will redefine humanity itself. It's a wave powered by the convergence of artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and nanotechnology